why bedbug treatments fail, and what can you do about it. Today, I am going to reveal the real reasons why most bedbug treatments fail and show you exactly what works, whether you are hiring a professional or do it yourself. Hi, I am Thomas with K&A Pest Control. For over 16 years, we have focused exclusively on non-toxic, guaranteed bedbug extermination because bedbugs are all we do. If you are feeling overwhelmed, frustrated, or even embarrassed by a bedbug problem, you are not alone. And if it's not, it is not your problem. It's your problem, but it's not your fault. For real, many people never heard of bedbugs and most have no clue how different and clever bedbugs are compared to other pests until it happens to them. Bedbugs don't care how clean or careful you are. They don't care where you live or how rich or poor you are. I have helped thousands of families get their lives back, and today I am here to guide you step by step. Follow along carefully. I'll walk you through every step of a proven bedbug extermination system. Here are some hard truths most people will not tell you. Number one, most exterminators do not specialize in bedbug treatments. Over 99.9% of exterminators offering bedbug treatments only do it as a side hustle. Their main business is general pest control: roaches, ants, fleas, moths, and perhaps mosquitoes or termites. Bedbugs are different, very different. They require unique tools, specialized training, and a totally different approach and a mindset. Treating bedbugs like ants or roaches isn't just ineffective, it's guaranteed setup for failure. Pesticides will give you at best very temporary relief at cost of long-term results, spreading the infestation to adjacent rooms and causing serious health risks, health problems. Another dirty secret: many companies intentionally treat bedbugs like other insects because it guarantees ongoing revenue. They want to sell you a subscription service. They want you to keep calling back, charging you every time they show up. If you ever see bedbug extermination near me ad that advertises for little of everything, be careful. What do you need to do next? Only hire companies that specialize exclusively in bedbugs. Demand a written guarantee with a refund if possible if the problem is not resolved. Number two, pesticides are number one reason for treatment failure. No pesticide ever on the market was ever developed specifically for bedbugs. Most products are relabeled products made for other household insects. The label on those products was changed to include bedbugs, but the formulation of the product has not changed at all. This benefits pesticide manufacturers by providing a broader market for the product, but it is deceiving, dishonest, and only hurts your chances of eliminating bedbugs. Why do so many experts online push these products? Simple. Because of affiliate marketing. They get paid commissions to promote pesticide brands, regardless of whether they work or not. If the online advertisers offers products but not a service in which they use that product, simply click away. They have no skin in the game. You might get a refund for the pesticides that did not work, but the damage it caused you will never be compensated for. So unless they personally use these products in a service they provide with proven, guaranteed, and verifiable success, their advice means absolutely nothing. The ultimate test: ask them if they will offer a written long-term money-back guarantee based on using those products. They will not. At K&A Pest Control, we do. Our method is so effective, we offer a 12-month guarantee. When searching online for best treatment for bedbugs, remember, pesticides are not it. There is a guy on YouTube with 170,000 views in 1 year on a video related to bedbugs, where he promotes 9 different products. 9! Okay, was it 10? 9 products. And then, in other 50 videos, he pushes the same products, whether it's ants, roaches, or anything else. Why? Because selling affiliate products is his real focus, his business, not solving a bedbug problem. What do you need to do next? Do not rely on pesticides as your main weapon, not for bedbugs. You'll make task of exterminating them far more difficult due to the repellency of those pesticides, which will only spread the infestation to the other rooms. Preparation and non-toxic methods are your real keys to success. Number 3, improper preparation destroys success. Bedbugs hide everywhere, behind headboards, footboards, inside furniture, in your car, and especially in cracks and crevices or in the folds of the fabric. If you skip prep work, you are wasting your time. Real prep work includes bagging and prepping for processing all of the bedding, clothing, and other items, laundering, and more importantly, drying everything on high heat, moving furniture away from the walls, standing up mattresses and box springs for proper encasement. Most companies push the prep work onto homeowners and later blame them when the treatment fails. Not us. We handle prep work ourselves to guarantee the results. If you are looking for how to prepare for bedbug treatment, this is the real checklist. What do you need to do next? Bag all the clothing, bedding, and soft items that can be processed in the dryer. Wash and dry on high heat. 30 minutes is plenty. Move all furniture away about 2 feet from the walls to give it better access for the steamer. Encase mattresses and box springs with certified bedbug-proof encasements. Use only the highest quality encasements. Steam the bed frame, headboard, and the footboard thoroughly. Vacuum with a bagged vacuum or canister vacuum and dispose of the container immediately after the vacuuming. Hard truth number 4. Incomplete homeowner participation. There is no silver bullet for bedbugs. You must stay involved and follow through. We hand every client a detailed checklist. Then we walk them through it step by step so nothing gets missed. If they have questions, we have the answers we are always here. That's why we get better, faster results. Bedbug extermination cost means nothing if you aren't part of the plan, part of the solution. What do you need to do next? Create a detailed checklist. Inspect weekly and bedbug monitors daily. Adjust and repeat if needed. Number 5. No monitoring, no accountability. Even the best treatment must be monitored. Monitoring devices confirm whether the tree infestation, the problem, is gone or if there is a still lingering issue. We install monitors during our treatment and return 3 to 4 weeks later for inspection, not to sell you more treatments, but to ensure the job was done right. When you search online for how to know if bedbugs are gone, it is simple. Monitors tell the truth. What do you need to do next? Install interceptor traps under the bed and sofa legs. Check traps every day. If traps stay clear for 30 days, you're likely bedbug free. Now your role in a bedbug solution and proven plan for homeowners. Step number 1, full preparation. Bag, launder, and dry everything that can be processed that way. Move and isolate furniture. Excuse me. Encase mattresses and box springs. Step number 2, apply non-toxic methods. Use steam on cracks and crevices and folds of upholstered furniture. Apply certified bedbug encasements. Use desiccant dust minimally and properly. Avoid inhalation of the desiccant, could be dangerous. Set interceptor traps. Number 3, monitor and follow up. Inspect traps every morning. Repeat steam treatment if necessary. Don't bring any unwashed or uninspected items into your home. Track your progress with photos and notes. If you wonder how to get rid of bedbugs permanently, this is the answer. Now, final words of advice. Before you waste money on affiliate-sponsored pesticide solution, ask one question that matters. Will they guarantee the results with a written money-back promise? We do. You don't need gimmicks, sprays, or miracle cures. You need facts, the right tools, and knowledge, and a system that works. If you follow this step-by-step plan exactly, you give yourself the highest chance of success, even on your own. You're not alone in this. Stick with the plan. You can beat this. When you are desperate and searching online for bedbug removal near me, remember, real solutions, not marketing, win this battle. What to do next? Watch this video to the end. Watch it again if you need to. Take detailed notes. Compare our system to what others tell you. Ask hard questions before you spend a dime. Share this video. Help someone else who's struggling. Send us your comments or questions. We'd love to hear from you. Again, I am Thomas with K&A Pest Control. Subscribe for real-world proven bedbug solutions. Check out our links below to learn more or to get help. Our contact information is Florida 941-735-4250, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Connecticut 401-305-0284, and a toll-free number for the rest of the US and the rest of the world. As a matter of fact, it is 888-365-2119. There's also a contact form in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and let's solve this bedbug problem once and for all. Hope to see you in the next video.